Hi, it's Bailey here from the Cloth Diaper Podcast, and today we are refilming a video that I thought I filmed. So we're going to get some interesting results. So today we're going to do an absorbency test of the Nuggles Natural Size 2 Bamboo Luxe Insert. And we're going to do a full spectrum absorbency test to see if the absorbency of these pre-folds changes from as you wash them. The absorbency should change as you wash bamboo. And that's very common rhetoric and something that in my personal experience does not be true. Does not be true. That's not really a word. So last time I filmed this, I forgot to turn on the camera. So today we are turning on the camera. But that does mean that I no longer know which one of these has been washed once, never washed, and washed about 5-7 times. So we're just gonna kind of go for it. So I've bought a scale and we're gonna weigh them. Tear this baby out and then we will weigh soaking wet inserts. I'm also gonna use a big bowl of water today. I'm gonna let the insert soak to just see if that changes the numbers. I think that letting them soak is going to give a better number. I don't know. If you guys have any advice, I'm thinking that the soaking method might work because some fibers like bamboo and hemp are supposed to absorb more with time. They're slow absorbers. So I feel like we need to give it time. But what does slow absorbing mean? We honestly don't really know what that means. That's just the terminology that's thrown around. So I've got 3 of them here. I thought that I would know which one wasn't washed just by looking at them. And I think this one is the one that's been never washed. But let's start by, we're gonna weigh them out, we're gonna soak them, and I'm gonna flip you down. And I have this new thingamabob here, which is very distracting, but it lets me know that I'm actually recording. So I don't really know if there is any rhyme or reason to the original weight of the Nuggles Natural Insert. Some variation in the color. I have a feeling that this one is the one that has been prepped not at all, and that it's going to get slightly heavier with each wash. So let's start with the one that I suspect is, so it's saying 97 grams. We're going to tare it. And we're going to be using fluid ounces. So how we're going to do this is we're going to take our bottle of water. We're just going to put it in there. Alright, so we're coming up to a minute. We're going to pull this out. Just going to gently kind of squeeze it. So one of the ways that people on the internet suggested was that they just let it drip dry until it stops. So we'll see. All right, 11.8 ounces. Not bad. And then let's give it one good squeeze. That's probably as absorbent as I would let it go. 7.7 fluid ounces after one big squeeze. We're gonna do a total of 4 here. I won't bore you through it. We'll just speed up just to see the consistency and find out what was going on here. Absorbency numbers are really gonna vary from person to person to some extent because we all have our own different kind of strategy. After the big squeeze, I'm really gonna get a variety of different results, just depending on how I squeeze it. See, 6.8. This is a lighter one at 95 grams. 12 ounces. So we've really got this trend here that this is something when fully saturated is going to hold a lot. What did I learn? Well, I learned that I do like the consistency of this absorbency test more. And so going through with 2019, that's going to be how I do it. I'm going to let the insert soak for a minute and then weigh it after I've let it dry, and then we'll do a big squeeze test to see what the results were. bamboo inserts kind of showed us the same-ish numbers. We got anywhere from 11 to 12.2 ounces of absorbency. In my opinion, I don't think there was enough of a discrepancy between these inserts to suggest that the bamboo insert gets more absorbent with washes. I think that it shows us that it's pretty absorbent as it is, regardless of washing. I know that that goes against a lot of what retailers say and a lot of what brands suggest. I wonder if this rings true for other brands. So maybe if you have a bamboo insert that you love, that's relatively affordable, because guys, this is coming out of my own pocket, give me a shout below and I'll do some absorbency testing with some brand new inserts, because I don't really have anything brand new in my stash. I would just be doing things that are fully prepped. If you're looking for an absorbent insert for your heavy wetter, this is definitely a good choice. We got about 12 ounces on the regular out of these bad boys. So this was the Nuggles size 2 bamboo insert. It's 70% bamboo, 30% organic cotton. It has a really good weight to it. I know that she picked out a nice sturdy fabric. It is a rectangle insert, so it's 2 layers. You fold it in half and then you get 2, 4, 6 layers of absorbency. And you can check out my rectangle insert video for more information about rectangle inserts. I'll link that down below. And squeezed out, this bad boy was about 8 ounces. So we could soak it up, let it drip. Okay. So if you let it drip, if you compress, you do get a little bit, but it takes a lot of squeezing. A lot of squeezing. But if your child was sitting on it like this and sat like this, nothing comes. This is a sturdy insert. If there's something you'd like me to absorbency test next, send me a message, leave a comment, because otherwise I'm just gonna work through my stash the way I want, but I never know what people are looking for. So yeah, bye.